Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Sukomang Lady Sundari from Indonesian Institute of Art Denpasar, Bali. The title of my research is Comparison of Wayang Painting by Imadiyasana and Kamasan Wayang Painting by Jero Mangku Muriati. Introduction. The art of painting wayang classical, it exists in almost all districts in Bali. In Denpasar, the painter said that Imadiyasana wayang paintings called the classic wayang with the title of work kekuatan Dewa Wisnu dalam memelihara kehidupan di dunia. Jerman Kumureti, a wayang painter from Kamasan, said his work is called the Kamasan wayang with the title work called Tribuana. Wayang Imadiyasana resembles the work of Jerman Kumureti, but the art of wayang work Imadiyasana called the art of classic wayang painting different wayang Kamasan. That's the reason he needs to be a comparing between the art of classical wayang Imadiyasana with the art of painting wayang Kamasan Jerman Kumureti to know the difference. This purposes the art painting wayang will comparison classical work Imadiyasana with the art of painting wayang Kamasan Jeromangku Muriati. Comparing the two work of the wayang painting includes the composition element, proportion element, coloring technique, and the meaning of the story of the title Kekuatan Dewa Wisnu dalam memelihara kehidupan di dunia, work from Imadiyasana, and the purpose of the story of the title Tribana work from Jeromangku. The benefit is expected to be a reference or input to the world of education, especially the art of classical wayang painting. It's beneficial to the government in the effort to develop and preserve the art of Bali culture, especially in the field of classical painting. The artistic style of painting the classic wayang Imadiyasana can be preserved to be developed and is not lost. The result of this research can be used as a sample in the conservation of the cultural art of Bali, especially a learning for a young generation interested in teaching the classical painting style in Madhya. Research method. This research was conducted in two places. One, painter Imadiyasana at Desa Badang Semen Cloud, Kecamatan Denpasar Barat, Korea Denpasar, Bali, on 2nd October 2023 with a research object, a classic wayang with the title Kekuatan Dewa Wisnu dalam memelihara kehidupan dunia on canvas and media canvas with size 100 cm by 120 cm, use acrylic paint. 2. Painter Jeromangku Muriati at Banjarsiku Desa Kamasan, Kabupaten Kelungkung, Bali, 5 October 2023 with a research object, a classic wayang with the title Tribuana on canvas and media canvas with size 90 cm by 70 cm. Use natural coloring as a color mix with added factory-made colors such as kinchu and color poster as an accessory. Research method. The observation on this study focused on the component of composition and proportion, the coloring technique and meaning of work. Research design uses qualitative descriptive method and the foundation of a theory to dissect the meaning of work using semiotic theories from Roland Barthes. This is wayang painting by Imadiyasana and this is painting by Jeromangku Muriati. The element that distinguishes two painting. One, element composition. Painting from Imadiyasana. The placement of uniform shape in all fields of painting is the aesthetic guideline for the creation of a work. Painting from Jeromangku Muriati, the placement of the form of the part bearing shot in each scene of the story. Number 2, element proportion. Painting Imadiyasana, the proportion of the shape of wayang with the method that is proportional to the 3. A. Proportional rendered shot. Wayang high 5 to 6 times from face. This proportion is often used to decorate either for pocket space. B. Proportional nyepek. Perfect proportional. Wayang height 7 to 8 times from face. This proportion is often used to decorate board areas such as Prabhat, Langse, and etc. C. Proportional lanyar with size more than 8 face for decorating high parts such as a door, lamak, umur-umur. Through this method, we can see and feel the object described in the wayang figure to be proportional, balanced, compatible, and harmoniously pleasing. B. Painting Jurumangku Muriati. The appearance of Kamasan Jurumangku Muriati's wayang figures prioritize symbolic meaning. With simple figure shape, the attitude of the wayang figure is static and formal, with the wayang figure drawn having distinctive body proportion. The shape of the figure tend to be primitive, so that the paintings appear antique and mystical. Number 3. Coloring method. A. Painting by Imadiasana using a classical technique with the term sigarmangsi or nampat will make harmonious coloring based on traditional culture rules. The application of colorful color is styled to a figure that tends to give a cheerful impression, excitement, acceleration, and impression of fun. B. Painting by Jeromangku Muriati. She used a classical technique with the term pere by rubbing with the media glue and water as well as using factory color. Coloring in sequin pakem or cultural rules. Color displayed them more to colors that are similar to give an antique and sacred impression. Number 4, meaning of work. Painting by Madhyasana. Meaning work from Madhyasana with the title Kekuatan Dewa Wisnu dalam memelihara kehidupan di dunia based on Hindu's philosophy that true happiness can only be achieved through Trihita Karana concept, which is keeping harmony and balance between human and human includes rule as cooperation, help each other and respect people, human with goodness, maintaining spiritual relation by involving yourself in religious ceremonies, praying, and consistently practice religious teaching, and human with the place the life equal to nature, keep in sustainability of nature resource, and do not break ecosystem. Painting by Jeromangku Muriati, meaning work from Jeromangku Muriati with the title Tribuana based on three natural levels, bourgeois, understood as not only is decorative but also contain a symbolic concept of three levels. It creates a holistic view of life, being the importance of balance and harmony in life, spiritual, human, and nature through understanding and respect for this three level. It is expected that humans can live wisely and take care of the sustainability of all creation. Conclusion. From the side of the composition element, painter Imadiyasana describing any scene without partition on the area of a figure canvas. It seemed to be an unity of painting, and the painter of Jerome Kumriati, while the painting inside the morality of each scene is partition or restricted. For the figure from the element, painter Imadiasana more proportionally adjusted to the size of the canvas wayang more dynamic, while painter Jerome Kumriati tends to be primitive, static, and their wayang. From the side of the coloring element, the painter Mariasan is more a greater variety of colors, giving the impression for joy and fun, while painters of Jerome Kumriati colors are so dim more color that is similar to give an antique secret impression. Conclusion. The meaning of the work painter Imaryasana with title Kekuatan Dewa Wisnu dalam memelihara kehidupan dunia is based on Hindu's philosophy that true happiness can only be achieved through the concept Trihita Karana, maintaining harmony and balance between human and human, the balance between man and God, the balance between man and the natural surrounding. Meaning the story, Tribuana painting by Jerome Kumrati has symbolic meaning with the three levels from life based on Hindu's Bur is God life, Buah is human life, Swa is subconscious life. Based on this analogy and respect from three levels of life, she wants human can live wisely and take care of the sustainability of all creation. Thank you for your time and attention.